Kubota U15 Mini Excavator is a zero-tail mini excavator with 1.5 ton capacity. It comes with a very compact size that can enter narrow sites as well as it can work there effectively and efficiently. Places where backhoe loader and other bigger equipment cannot even enter, Kubota U15 Mini Excavator can easily perform lifting, digging and material handling operations. So if you are looking for a machine as a replacement for manpower in your narrow sites, you can choose Kubota U15 Mini Excavator and increase your profitability day by day with fuel efficiency and fast working. For Earth, for Life, Kubota.